Set paragraph indentations and line spacing. To ensure that your book body text displays consistently, you'll want to indent paragraphs. Tab spacing doesn't convert to Kindle, and set line spacing. To ensure consistency and save time, modify the normal style. This will automatically apply the formatting. On the Home tab, right-click the normal style and choose Modify. Click the Format List the drop-down at the bottom of the dialog box and choose Paragraph. This opens another dialog box. Under Indentation Special, set the first line indent to 0.25 mm. Under Spacing, set before and after to 0 pt and line spacing to single. Click OK. Format chapter titles. As you write your book, apply Heading 1 to chapter titles. This will also help you later when you create your table of contents. Place your cursor next to the first chapter title. On the Home tab, click Heading 1. Set the alignment to the center. Repeat for each chapter title. Insert and format images. Insert hyperlinks. External links should enhance the reader experience and the content of your ebook. Highlight the text you want to link. Go to the Insert tab. Under Links, click Hyperlink. This opens a dialog box. Enter the URL you want to link to in the address field. Click OK. Add page breaks. Adding pages breaks ensures your text displays wherever you want one page to end and the next to begin. Place your cursor where you want your page to end. Go to the Insert tab. Click Page Break. Footnotes in your ebook must have working links so readers can click easily from content to footnote and back. Place your cursor where you want the footnote to appear. On the References tab, click Insert Footnote. Check for errors. After finishing your manuscript, check the following: spelling, use words, built-in spell check, and grammar tools, but also proofread your file manually. The tools may not catch every error. Hard returns. A hard return is anywhere you press the Enter key while typing your manuscript. Hard returns can change the design of your book in unintended ways. To avoid this, only use hard returns when you want to start a new paragraph or create extra space between paragraphs. You shouldn't use them at the end of every line. Track changes. Make sure the Track Changes option is turned off. You can check this by going to the Tracking section of the Review tab. Kindle Create is a free software for formatting your book for publication. Install Kindle Create if you haven't done so. Click on Import Existing Manuscript. Select a manuscript from the file Explorer. It must be a docx or doc file. It will take a short while to convert your manuscript to EPUB format, so be patient. Kindle Create automatically generates table of content from page headers. Click Accept Selected to create your table of contents. Add front and back matter. Front matter includes title, dedication pages, copyright. Your ebook should include a title page with your book title and author name. Back matter can include about the author, bibliography, cover image file. Don't include your cover image in your manuscript file. When you publish your ebook, we'll automatically add the cover image you provide during title setup, page numbers, headers, footers. Ebooks are reflowable and can be viewed with different font sizes, so page numbers and page count don't apply. Also, ebooks don't have headers and footers, so you don't need to add them to your file. Text boxes and shapes. We don't recommend inserting text boxes and shapes to create diagrams. If you want to include visuals like these, insert them as images. Drop caps. Drop caps are large capital letters at the beginning of a block of text with 2 or more lines of regular text. They are typically used for the first letter of the first sentence of a chapter. Drop caps are supported, but they may not appear the way you want them to if you add them in Word. We recommend using Kindle Create to add elements like drop caps. After formatting the book, preview the way it will appear on different devices. Finally, export the publishable ebook and save it on your computer. It is this file that can be uploaded in Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing.